The Beast Library is closing next month on December the 10th. I'm really sad that we're going to be losing this attraction and so soon. I was really looking forward to bringing Haley and Raina to the Beast Library, but this is mine and Hannah's experience when we were there in October.
Don't be shy. Be my guest.
Keep pushing it.
It is with the greatest pleasure that we will now show you which Disney character is most like you. My
Look up there.
assistant, please. Hello.
Look into there.
We're going to create your portrait.
It is perfect, yes?
Not really. Try again.
Another? Yes, of course. Here we go.
Better, whatever. We're going with it.
Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final chapter.
You only get 2 tries, apparently.
But first, we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is you, sir or madame. When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends or think it through in your head?
Push hard.
Do you see yourself as more sensitive
Or more imaginative?
Push. Yeah.
Are you ruled more by your passionate heart or your logical head?
Do you act on what you feel, or because you think it's the best choice?
Do you usually like to plan things out or wait to see what happens? Very good. One more question we must ask.
Would you rather eat lunch with nice people
Or eat nice people for lunch?
Are you evil is what it wants to know.
Independent, quick to venture out beyond the riverbend. In a crisis, your brilliant mind and confidence keeps you calm as a breeze. You are most like Pocahontas.
Do you know who Pocahontas is?
I do love a happy ending.
Au revoir, Toulouse.